I bet you didn't know it's this easy to start an online store. Let's dive into Shopify. First things first, Shopify is an e-commerce platform where you can create your very own online store. Imagine having a virtual storefront that's open 24/7, reaching customers from all around the globe. Shopify makes this possible with its user-friendly interface and powerful tools. To get started, head over to Shopify's website and sign up for an account. Pro tip: take advantage of their $1/month trial for 3 months. This trial period is a fantastic opportunity to explore all the features Shopify has to offer without a significant financial commitment. It's perfect for beginners. Shopify's intuitive design means you don't need to be a tech wizard to set up your store. Once you're in, choose the basic plan to start. This plan offers all the essential features you need to get your store up and running, including unlimited product listings, 24/7 support, and access to Shopify's App Store. You can always upgrade later. As your business grows, you might find that you need more advanced features, and Shopify makes it easy to scale up. Now, let's add some products. This is where the magic happens. Your products are the heart of your store, and Shopify provides a seamless way to showcase them. Click on Add Product and fill in the details: title, description, benefits, images, cost, price, shipping weight. Make sure your product descriptions are detailed and engaging. High-quality images can make a huge difference in attracting customers, and any variants like colors or sizes. Offering multiple variants can help cater to a wider audience and increase your sales potential. Easy peasy. But what if you don't have products to sell? Thinking of dropshipping? It's a great way to sell without holding inventory. Dropshipping allows you to sell products directly from suppliers without ever having to handle the inventory yourself. When a customer buys from you, your supplier ships directly to them. This means you can focus on marketing and customer service while your supplier takes care of the logistics. Your profit is the difference between what the customer pays and your costs. For reliable suppliers, check out Zendrop. Zendrop integrates seamlessly with Shopify, making it easy to find and import products. Just copy the product URL, paste it into the Zendrop app connected to your store, and boom, imported. It's that simple. Now you have products in your store without having to worry about inventory management. Next up, store design. Use Shopify's themes to customize your store's look. Shopify offers a variety of free and paid themes that you can customize to match your brand's aesthetic. And don't forget to optimize for mobile. Lots of customers shop on their phones. A mobile-friendly design ensures that your store looks great and functions well on any device, which is crucial for capturing sales from mobile users. Finally, let's talk marketing. Paid ads on Facebook, Google, and TikTok can drive traffic to your store. But don't overlook organic content on Instagram and TikTok. Create engaging posts and videos to attract customers. Social media is a powerful tool for building your brand and connecting with your audience without breaking the bank. Collaborate with influencers, run contests, and share user-generated content to boost your store's visibility. And there you have it. From setting up your store to adding products and marketing, Shopify provides all the tools you need to build a successful online business. You're ready to crush it on Shopify. Happy selling. Remember, the key to success is consistency and dedication. Keep learning, keep optimizing, and watch your online store thrive.